Welcome to Math 1010. I thought I'd take a minute and show you around our course page. So, a new upgrade with Moodle 3.2 is we have this thing over here that's called the drawer, which easily lets you access different courses that you have and get to some other things. But what we're going to focus on more is our course page itself. So I'd like to start with the calendar over here. And this shows you where I am and when I have office hours, and you can click on each one and it'll tell you what time I have office hours and where they're located. Another thing that I have for you to contact me is my contact info right here. And this shows you my office phone number and my email address, which is the best way to contact me. If I want to contact you or let you know something, I'll use this announcement button, and with it I can post to a forum that will be pushed to your email, and with that I will give you weekly updates. A way for you to communicate with other people in the course is through the virtual coffee shop, and I recommend that you guys use that to ask questions if you're unsure about something, or get some help with a homework problem, or whatever you want to use it for. The next thing I'd like to show you is this course information tab. In it, there is the syllabus, which you need to read and use to take your syllabus quiz, which will be your first assignment grade. The next thing is your Start Your Tour here, and if you're watching this video, then you've already clicked on this link, so good job. Check out the rest of the links and use them to your advantage. The next one is attendance, but this is where I take attendance. Your attendance actually shows up right here because I'm in student view. This is what it'll look like for you. It'll show you how many you've completed, and don't worry so much about the points. But make sure that you keep up with your attendance, and if you come in tardy, you will be marked absent unless you come up and tell me at the end of class. I also have put a link to the Office of Student Development, and if you have some kind of personal issue come up, they can help notify your professors. Next, we have the upcoming events over here on the side and latest news. I haven't posted anything yet, so there are no new announcements, but there will be as soon as I start posting to the announcements page up at the top, the one that will push information to your email. Each week, I will give you a rundown of what to anticipate for the upcoming week and any due dates of assignments. And those things will show up right here. They will show up in your email as an announcement, and I will post an outline of the activities for the week in these types of topics. Each weekly topic also has resources and assignments. Resources are things for you to peruse at your own leisure. They are things that I think will help you, but are not necessarily graded things. Assignments, though, are things that will definitely be graded, and so make sure that you pay attention to each one of these. And I have check marks over here so that you can check off things as you complete them. Also, I have files for each of the different topics that we'll cover, probability being the first one. We'll also cover statistics and personal finance. And within each one of these sections, I will have the notes, and this will have the PowerPoints that we'll cover in class and any additional notes that I have. And then I will give you a list of supplemental problems. These are not going to be ever taken up, but they will help you prep for quizzes and stuff like that. Also, I will have projects listed if there are any projects for the topic, which each one of them has one. The projects will have the project rubric and also a place for you to submit. Notice that you can't submit anything here yet because I haven't finished updating it. But do note that you can collapse these to make it a little bit more friendly looking, and you won't have the scroll of death by the time we get done with the semester. I hope this has helped. Let me know if you have any other questions, and good luck.